So guys, let's see what Swiss franc JPY will be giving us for the day. So first thing first, before you go ahead to predict what market will be doing, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments. And also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with this trend right here now, Swiss franc JPY. You can clearly see that Swiss franc JPY is in an uptrend move. So although our forward trend, you can see our forward time frame, right? The trend is on a ranging market move. Markets literally rallied up to tap our resistance zone, right? It's rallied up and tapped our resistance zone, right? When markets literally got to the resistance zone, guess what market did? Markets rejected from the resistance and tried to tap our support, right? Markets eventually rejected from this our support level and it rallied up to tap our resistance. So you can see that market has been ranging, giving us a back and forth movement. Same thing with this level where markets rejected from the resistance and tried to tap the support. Then it came back to tap the resistance. Now market has now dropped a bit, which is in which the candlestick was able to tap the support. Now, if we take a look at our market, the market is now trending up. So we will be expecting that trend to continue to hit this resistance zone right here. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting next on Swiss franc JPY. So this is the movement right here. This is your high and this is the higher low. This is the higher high. Here comes the higher low, and this is the higher high. Here comes the higher low. So with this higher low right, we should be expecting market to actually push up till it's able to form a new higher high. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So if you did not miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like, share, make your comments, follow the Telegram channel also. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Above all, a bullish move is what you should be expecting next. So if there will be any changes, I'll make sure I do the updates, explain it, and let you guys know what is actually going on next.